Hi guys. The spring this year I took my mower out of the shed and it wouldn't start. I checked the spark and there was no spark, so I went right to the coil, replaced it. This fix worked. Let me show you how it's done. So how you test your coil is you take out your spark plug, plug this back in, have somebody pull it, have the end of the spark plug on the metal here so it grounds, and look for a spark as it's getting pulled. Mine didn't have a spark, so I had to replace this. It's very simple. Let me show you how it's done. This is the ground wire you're going to have to plug back in, and then it just goes in the spark plug right there. Here are the sockets you're going to have to use. You're going to have to use a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and a 5/16, and maybe a little extension just to reach in there. You're going to want to take your 1/4 inch socket, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your oil cap off. Now, sometimes these can have a lot of dirt in them, so you want to get like a steel hanger and pick it out. Four of those. And remove this. Then what you want to do is remove your gas tank. It just slides up. Just like that. Put that to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts there. With your 5/16. 1, 2. And for the back two, you're going to use your 3/8. And this comes off. This is your problem right here. You take your 1/4 inch socket and remove these two. What I did is I took the tabs from the box and I stuck it in there just to give it the gap it needs on both sides there. And you can kind of center that. Then I tighten it down, plug in the ground, plug in the spark plug, and you should be all good. Then it's just putting everything back on. Go. There you go. That's how you replace your coil for your Toro 6.5. Probably the 7.25s are the same. So simple as that. Remember to use a business card to separate this piece from flywheel.